Hello all. In this tutorial we are going to learn Catalan Automation Recorder. How to record quick test in Catalan Automation Recorder. Catalan Automation Recorder is nothing but an extension which is provided by Catalan for Chrome and Firefox browser. And we can test web application using Catalan Automation Recorder. The mobile application and desktop application cannot be tested using Catalan Automation Recorder. To get this extension on Chrome or Firefox browser, we have to download this from catalan.com website. I have shared the link for this site below in the description. I will download the Chrome extension. Click on Add to Chrome and we will add this extension. And now the extension is added to Chrome. Once the extension is added, we can click on the extensions over here and click Catalan Recorder. It will open the Catalan Recorder and this is the Catalan Recorder window. In this recorder window, you can create new test suite, create new test case. You can record, play test suite, play all, pause and export. We'll see everything one by one. It by default create untitled test suite. To add new test suite, click Add button and give the name to the test suite. Test suite is added. We can create new test case under this test suite or we can add the test case from here as well. We will add new test case. We will give the name to this test case as login test and click OK. To record the test, I'll click record button and I will provide the URL. Click make appointment. It records the activities over here. So I will give the username and I will give the password. After that, I will select the facility. Then click apply for hospital review. Then select the option button. Then enter the visit date and give the comment. After that, click book appointment. Click the breadcrumb and click logout button and close the browser. This has recorded all our activities and we will stop the recording now. We will play it. To play, click on play button. It has executed the test case and you can see the log over here. This is the log. Everything has been recorded and everything has been played back and showing in the log. In Catalan Automation Recorder, this is the main toolbar section. This is test suite and test case explorer. This is the test case detail view and this is the log variable screenshot view. In the test case, you can delete test step by right clicking and click delete command. This way you can delete the unwanted commands, like I have clicked on the username and password field and then I entered the details. So the click also has been recorded. So I don't want this. I will delete these. To add a test step, we will right click here and we will click add command. And here the command is added. We will click and enter the command as close to close the browser. And then we will execute and check whether it is been added successfully. And it is done, the execution is passed. Now We will fail the test case by providing the incorrect password, and I will play it again. And the test case is failed. Here it shows the test case is failed, and the fail is showing exactly after login. We will see the screenshot. It shows the screenshot if the test case is failed. It also downloads the screenshot if you click on the screenshot, and you can see the screenshot in the log also. If you deliberately want to take the screenshot, then we have to add the command to take the screenshot. It will take the capture entire screenshot, and if we play this, it has captured the screenshot. And if you have noticed it, it started the execution from the point where we added the screenshot command. It has started the execution from here. It has not executed the complete test case again. To execute from a particular step, we have to right click the step, and you can click play from here, and you can play the execution from that point. This Catalan recorder has feature to export the test script. Click on export button, and you will find here the Catalan Studio script that can be exported and can be used. If you check, these are the Selenium script, Selenium IDE, because this extension supports Selenium IDE. If you click here, you will find many options, many formats in which you can export these scripts. For example, if I click on this Java WebDriver plus TestNG, this code will be changed in the TestNG annotation format, and you can export this code and use it. In similar way, there are many options here. Catalan Studio is one of them, and you can copy this to clipboard or save as a file, and you can use it. This play suite button is to play the entire suite. If this test suite has multiple test cases, then it will execute the complete test suite by this button. And this play all button is to play all the test suite in this entire explorer. You can see over here, if you take the cursor on the button, then it gives the tooltip that run all test suites on the active tab. So it provides information for each and every button on the toolbar. You can change the speed of the execution by clicking this button, and you can make it slow or fast. In the test case, if you see, each step has the target. Target is nothing but the attribute and its value to identify the object on the web page. For some of the test objects, you find multiple attributes like the username object. It has multiple attributes, ID, name, or the XPath having the input @ID, this XPath with the div or CSS XPath. So you can select one of these and you can use it over here as a locator to identify the object. It means that each of these test steps is divided into three parts, that is command, target and value. And these three parts you can choose from over here. You can select the command, you can select the target, that is attribute or XPath, or the locator you can say for the object, and the value. We can save this test suite or test case by clicking More button and selecting Save Test Suite As, and we can save the test suite. We can also save these logs or delete these logs by clicking over here Save Logs. In this session of Catalan Automation Recorder, we have learned how to add Catalan Automation Recorder extension, how to create test suite and test case, how to record first test case, how to play the test, how to add a new step in the test case or delete a new step in the test case, how to check the screenshot of the failed test case from the log or screenshot tab, add keyword to take screenshot. Then we have learned how to download the screenshot, how to play the test from particular step. We have seen the UI of the Catalan Automation Recorder, how to export the test script in different formats. We have also learned about changing the speed of test execution, locators of the objects, how to save the test suite, and how to save the logs of the test execution. In the next session of Catalan Automation Recorder, we are going to learn about working with variables, data-driven testing, using keywords like to handle the waits and to verify test, and some common actions. So stay tuned and keep learning. If you are new to this channel, would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Also, please do not forget to like and share. Thank you.